Hello, everyone! Digital audio mixers are portable, feature a ton of inputs and outputs, and have built-in effects, making them a great addition to your studio and live setup. However, with so many options and features available, finding a digital mixer can be a challenge. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Allen & Heath SQ5. The SQ5 digital mixer is one of the best audio mixers available when it comes to portability. It's rack-mountable, versatile, and easy to install in venues and small home studios. Other features of the Allen & Heath SQ5 include 8 stereo FX engines including delay, reverb, chorus, flanger, phaser, EQ, and compressor, and a built-in USB audio interface for multi-track recording directly to a computer or USB drive with 24-bit 96 kHz resolution and less than 0.7 milliseconds latency. 2. Behringer X32 Digital Mixer. This mixer is perfect for aspiring musicians and producers, offering a great balance of affordability and top-notch features. The Behringer X32 digital mixer offers a variety of options to help you create and tweak your sound. With 32 gain-programmable mic preamps and 25 motorized faders, you have complete control over your mix. Plus, you can add various effects using the virtual FX rack. 3. Yamaha TF532 Channel Digital Mixing Console. The Yamaha TF5 is built for large-scale applications with its impressive input capacity and fader count. Featuring 33 motorized faders, 32 channels plus 1 master, and 48 input mixing channels, 40 mono plus 8 stereo, 2 stereo plus 2 returns. This console addresses the complex needs of live sound environments, from concerts to corporate events. 4th Midas. M32R Live the Midas. M32R Live Digital Mixer is a highly portable and compact version of the original M32 while maintaining both outstanding audio quality and impressive computing power. It's the perfect size for small venues and jam sessions. The Midas M32R Live features 16 state-of-the-art Midas mic preamps, 8 XLR outputs, 8 DCAs, and 6 mute groups. 5. QSC TouchMix. 8. Compact Digital Mixer. QSC TouchMix. 8. Compact Digital Mixer. The QSC TouchMix 8 is a powerful, compact mixer ideal for live performances. It offers a range of audio optimization tools, including 4-band parametric equalization, dynamics processing, and digital effects. This comprehensive feature set is ideal for live sound, allowing you to quickly adjust to the acoustics of the venue. 6. Soundcraft Ui24R. The Soundcraft Ui24R is a 24-channel rack-mount, digital remote-controlled mixer. It offers 20 inputs, 10 combo XLR TARC jack, 10 XLR dedicated, and 1 dual RCA stereo. Using the built-in audio interface, you can record all 22 inputs and the stereo mix to a USB drive or DAW. Soundcraft makes this easy by including Ableton Live 10 Lite with every UI series mixer. 7. Mackie DL32S Digital Rack Mixer. We have been using the Mackie DL32S Digital Rack Mixer, and it has been a game-changer. With 32 channels of capacity and a built-like-a-tank design, it's ideal for both small and large-scale gigs. It offers advanced mixing features, but the ease of use via the Master Fader app makes it a great investment for those looking to elevate their mixing experience, as it remains accessible to users of all skill levels. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.